Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Do you love to make your blog like this? This is text scrolling bar as like television news ticker. Would you love to add this scrolling text on your blog? Then you are in the right place. Today I will guide how you can add an auto scrolling text bar as like news ticker style in your WordPress blog even without any plugin. Firstly, I will show for the Gutenberg block editor. After that, I will show for classic editor. Okay, let's start. Right now, I am on my website dashboard, all post section. I am going to open this post in Gutenberg block editor. I want to make a scrolling right to left. I have to add a custom HTML block. So click on add block, search here with custom HTML and select that block. Inside that block, I have to add a tiny code which will give you scrolling right to left. This is the code. So I am making the zoom. Then you can see clearly. This code is start with marquee with 100% direction, left, height 100 pixel. This is sample scrolling text. So I am going to save draft. And if I click the view preview, you see it's going right to left. So just if you change the scrolling direction right, then it will be left to right. So if you want to make left to right scrolling code, then just use this code. I will give you this post link in video description. So just you need to use this code. I am making it zoom, then you will understand very clearly. Then after that, your output will get like this. And if you want to get the upward scrolling text like this, you just need to use this code, and instead of this text, you can change your text. It will work perfectly. If you like downward scrolling text like this, from top to bottom it's scrolling, just use this code and change the text from here, nothing else. And if you need to adjusting scrolling speed like this, you see this speed is very high, this is medium, this is low. So for this you need to copy this code and just paste it on your website custom HTML block. And if you want to control the speed, then just you change the number of this like 12, 20, 50. So 50 means it's very fast scrolling, 20 means it's fast scrolling, and 12 little fast scrolling, and 1 it's slow scrolling. So by changing those number, you can control your scrolling speed. That's all. Scrolling text with blinking effect, you see this is the output. It's like scrolling and blinking. So for this you need to use this code. If you like scrolling falling text like this, let me show first. Like this text is falling down, scrolling and falling down. If you like this, you need to use this code. And if you see this code, you will understand very easily, and I make it very clear. Now I am going to show you how you can do the same thing for your classic editor. So I'm going to open this post in classic editor. Right now I am on classic editor. It's blank completely. So for the classic editor, you have to click on this text section. Beside visual, you will find this text option. Have to click there. So click there, and there has no custom HTML block or any kind of block in Classic Editor. So as there has no block, we will paste our code directly in the text section. So I am going to paste it here and save draft and preview the post. You see, this scrolling bar is working here perfectly. So for the rest of the scrolling option, you can just paste your code in text option and you will get the same output as like Gutenberg blog editor. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.